Security in Dv TDM is handled in a number of ways to provide maximum protection while not limiting the immense flexibility of the program. Each user is placed into a profile in Dv TDM. Each of these profiles has a default security associated with it to allow access to records. The default security is handled separately for both security placed on each record as it is added, as well as security access they have for retrieving records in the system. Security roles placed on profiles will determine the access they are allowed in Dv TDM. Changing the current security of a record is as easy as choosing a record and configuring the security as needed. This process can be done individually or in mass. Record security for added files can be broken down to who can access or edit the record, who can access or edit the file attached to the record, as well as who can print the associated record. This security can be managed when the record is added by a profile, or it can be handled on an individual record basis. In Dv TDM, the menu options presented to the users are another way of handling security. Each profile is presented with the menu options determined to be necessary for their function, and can be changed as the program evolves within an organization to meet the needs of its users. Additionally, access to the system is managed within Dv TDM and can be set up using Windows authentication or separate username and password login information as desired. With Windows authentication, Dv TDM allows access to the system based on the login of the current Windows user's workstation. Optionally, a standard login with username and password can be presented for additional security. Finally, Dv TDM tracks the actions of the users in the system by utilizing an audit report that can show specific details of users' interactions with the database from logon to editing records or editing files. This information is presented in a printable report.